Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix shutdown option missing in Windows 11. First method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand administrative templates under user configuration. Click Start menu and taskbar. Open Remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart and sleep. Check Not configured, click Apply, click OK. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click File, Run New Task, type shutdown space, -r space, -f space, -f space, 00. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Power. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset PC under Reset this PC. Click Keep My Files. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.